Imagine being steps away from the beach, having a pool just below you, and being able to walk to grocery stores and restaurants. This is the perfect place for you. This is Melanie Engel from Flamingo Beach Realty, the top brokerage here in this gorgeous Guanacaste, Costa Rica. Today we are at a condo in Tamarindo. It's called BocaRaca. We are on unit number 9 and we're super close to the beach. Come enjoy this beautiful tour with us today. Welcome to BocaRaca's number 9. This condo is 1,300 square feet. There is 2 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms. And when you first walk into the door, you're greeted with this really colorful, beautiful social area. There's plenty of natural light because you've got patio doors right here. And right behind, you've got the dining and the kitchen. The condo is quite efficient. Here in the kitchen, you've got this beautiful granite countertop, a nice window to let in natural light, and this beautiful live-edged Guanacaste table. What a comfy couch. Here, this condo comes fully furnished and turnkey, ready for you. It's got beautiful Venetian stucco that keeps it nice and clean when you have renters. Let's go check out the bedrooms. We get to walk through this really unique arch. Walking past the hallway, you're going to find a half bath, which is great for guests. You have a laundry room, and then you arrive at the principal suite. Here you've got a queen bed. You've got 2 walls that have natural light. You've got an ensuite bathroom with special marble countertops, and you even have a walk-in closet. The bedroom is quite spacious. You also have a queen bed here, enough room for a desk. You have an ensuite bathroom with the same beautiful marble countertops, and you even have a walk-in closet. BocaRaca is a small condo complex. There's 14 units here. There's 24-hour security, and there's also a common shared pool area. About a 30-second walk away from the condo, you're going to find Mercatito. This is an outdoor cafeteria that has everything from poke bowls, Chinese food, Japanese food, ice cream, hamburgers. It also turns into like a little bit of a nightclub at night. You've got the skate park just right here, and just ahead of me, you've got the beach and miles of beautiful places to go shopping, have drinks, enjoy restaurants, have a night out with your friends and family. Literally a 1-minute walk from your condo, you arrive at this beautiful beach town called Playa Tamarindo. Here's the top tourist destination in the Gold Coast of Costa Rica. It's known for its surfing, swimming, amazing sunsets, and a great time to cool off in the water. If you would like this condo and this lifestyle to be yours, please check out my website, flamingobeachrealty.com, or give me a call on WhatsApp. I would love to talk to you. Have a great day. Pura vida.